everyone! Having your own team chat brings up the fastest and most effective approval flow to your team collaboration. Finally, the perfect place to discuss the overall social media strategy with your client and a team. From now on, send posts for approval to your client by a direct message. Talk about monthly content in a workspace chat, share ideas and files, create polls, record voice messages in a group chat, and many more. Let's take a look at post approval in ZoomSphere chat. It is the fastest and most effective way to view and approve posts. To send posts in a bulk, tap the Select Posts icon in the top right corner of your scheduler. Select posts you wish to share in a bulk and hit the red Send to Chat button. Choose your teammate or any group chat or direct room. You can also add a short message and click Send to Chat. To send a post individually, tap the three dots and hit Send to Chat. To open the post detail, simply tap the Post Preview. Changes to posts are synchronized with how the post is represented in already sent messages in the chat. Whether the post is changed directly in the scheduler or by entering the detail from the chat, all these changes will also be reflected in the post preview in the chat. Post approval in a chat is useful for many things. You see? And these are just examples. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us via the in-app chat or on our email support@zoomsphere.com. Have a nice day!